So I've seen these shorts going around where someone is in hardcore mode and they fall off a building, and the only way to save themselves and their entire world is to mace their dog as they fall. And I have two things to say. First of all, I'm killing the dog. Hey, hear me out. First, why do you need to mace your dog? You're wearing fully enchanted netherite armor, and that's a 100-block fall. You're gonna be fine. Second, if you were going to die, surely that kills the dog as well, because the dog can only exist so long as the world exists, which is dependent on the player's existence. And unless you're gonna tell me you're logging in every day in spectator mode to keep your ghostly Minecraft dog so-called alive, and it's kind of not, let's be real, you're not doing that. I'm killing the dog.